Imagine making $45 every single hour without leaving your house. No boss breathing down your neck, and all you need is a laptop and internet connection. Sounds too good to be true. It's not. Today, I'm revealing 3 real work from home jobs that people are using right now in 2025 to earn money online. And guess what? You can start today. Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to escape the 9 to 5, or maybe just want a side hustle that actually pays well, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 legit work from home jobs that pay up to $45 per hour, and the best part, no degree or experience needed for most of them. Make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll also give you a bonus tip to help you start earning faster. Let's get right into it. 1. Online chat support agent. Companies today don't just rely on call centers. They also hire people to respond to customer questions through live chat. As a chat support agent, your job is simple: answer questions, solve small issues, and guide users through websites or products. No phone calls, no face-to-face meetings. How much can you earn? Between $18 to $30 per hour, depending on the company and your experience. Who's hiring? Websites like the Chat Shop, Mod Squad, and LivePerson regularly post openings. What do you need? Just good typing speed, clear communication, and a stable internet connection. This job is perfect for introverts or anyone who prefers typing over talking. 2. Freelance transcriptionist. Ever listened to a podcast or YouTube video and wondered who types those subtitles or captions? That's where transcriptionists come in. You'll be paid to listen to audio and type it out word for word. How much can you earn? Up to $45 per hour if you're fast and accurate. Where to start? Websites like Rev, GotTranscript, and Transcribe are beginner friendly. What do you need? Just headphones, good listening skills, and fast typing. You can even use transcription tools to speed up your work. It's quiet, flexible, and you can do it anytime from anywhere. 3. AI content reviewer, tester. With AI exploding in 2025, companies now pay people to test and improve AI tools like chatbots, voice assistants, and even image generators. Your job is to give feedback, spot errors, or test how the AI responds to different commands. How much can you earn? Between $30 to $45 per hour, depending on the task. Where can you apply? Check out platforms like Gebin, Remote Tasks, and Youtst. What do you need? Curiosity, basic tech skills, and the ability to follow instructions carefully. This job is perfect for people who love tech but don't want to code. Bonus tip: use job filters smartly. When searching on job sites like Indeed, We Work Remotely, or Flex Jobs, use filters like remote only $30 per hour entry level or beginner friendly. This way, you skip the junk and go straight to high-paying work from home jobs. Final thoughts. Do you know that you can earn $20 a day just by translating text online using free tools like Google Translate and ChatGPT? You don't need to speak multiple languages fluently, and you don't need experience. If you have a phone or a laptop and internet access, you can start making money today. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Step by step. 1. Find translation gigs. There are websites where people post small jobs that you can do from home, like translating short texts. Here are some great sites: Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, PeoplePerHer, Freelancer.com, Lataum.org. On these platforms, clients post small tasks like translating documents, social media captions, or short emails. You can search for translation jobs and apply to the simple ones. Even if you're a beginner, don't worry, we're going to use tools to help you deliver professional work. Step 2. Use Google Translate. Easy. Go to Google Translate. It's free. Just copy the text you received from the client, paste it in Google Translate, and choose the language you want to translate it to. Example: if someone sends you a Spanish document and wants it in English, paste it into Google Translate and it will give you a rough version of the translation. But wait, we're not done yet. Google Translate is not perfect. That's why we use the next tool. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to improve translation. After using Google Translate, we're going to make the text sound more natural using ChatGPT. Here's how. Copy the translated text. Paste it into ChatGPT. Say, can you make this translation sound more natural and professional in English? ChatGPT will rewrite the content in a much better way, so it looks like a human did it, not a robot. This way, you're delivering high-quality translations without doing the hard work yourself. Step 4. Deliver and get paid for a clock to 4:30. Once the text is ready, send it back to your client on Fiverr or Upwork. Make sure you deliver it on time, and always be polite and professional. Many clients will come back for more work if they like your service. You can easily do 2 to 3 small tasks a day, each paying around $5 to $10, which adds up to $20 or more daily. Always double check the meaning of the text before submitting. Use ChatGPT to fix grammar, tone, and structure. Create a great profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Add keywords like fast translation, English to Spanish translator, etc. Use simple gigs in the beginning, build trust and ratings. So many people and businesses around the world need help translating content, but don't want to pay expensive agencies. By using smart tools like Google Translate and ChatGPT, you can do this easily from your home and make real money every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to earn money online. Drop a comment below if you have questions or if you want me to make a video showing how to set up your Fiverr profile.